In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use or set an image as your background on your slides in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So I have this background that is synonymous with all the slides on my presentation. However, I like to go ahead and replace this background, the dark background, with an image that I have on my computer. To do this, it is quite simple. Just head over here and click on change background. When you click on background option here, now you can go ahead and change the background color if you wish to change the color. But for our case, we don't want to change the color. We just want to replace the background color with an image. For that, we shall use the second option, which is image, and then click on choose image. And here you can now upload the image that you want to use as background. Now I'll go ahead and drag and drop my image that I want to use into this box. And now our background has been changed to an image. But the problem is you can see all the other backgrounds still remains black. So I like to go ahead and apply this to all the slides. To do that, go ahead and click on add to theme. And this will go ahead and replace all the other themes with the same background image. As you can see here now, if I click on any slide, you will see the background is the image that we chose. So that's how you can set an image as your background in your Google Slide presentations. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.